Hey y'all, welcome back. So you guys know that I have a wonderful spring summer catalog that just launched, and I am so thrilled to share with you guys. I know this tote is going to be in my top 3 products. It already is, and my catalog just launched. Okay, so this is a product that is brand new, okay, and it's kind of the opposite version of a product that you probably already own. So our zip top organizing utility tote, you guys know that it is one of the items that we are known for with 31. So it's a utility tote with the pockets all the way around the outside, right? Okay, so this is called the Everyday Essentials Tote, okay? So it's basically kind of like that same version, a little bit bigger, but the pockets are on the inside. This is so awesome. I love this tote. This tote is actually in the patchwork stripe print. It is just beautiful. It is so beautiful. This is almost like a cross, the color between like a turquoise and an aqua print. It's just gorgeous. And you'll see that through this catalog that some of our straps here are super fun. They've got different tones and things like that. So I love that. And then the handles here on the ends, they gather up here. So it fits on your shoulder just nicely here. So beautiful. This just screams summer to me. But there are so many prints that this comes in. That camo, you guys will definitely have to check it out. I'll link it below so you guys can see. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my shoulder here. It's a nice tote. It's not too big. I don't feel like I'm gonna knock anybody out with it. I think it is just a great size. Now it is an open tote. There's no button closure or zipper closure here, but I wanted to show you guys the inside. So you'll see that there are 3 little pockets there. You've got mesh pockets on each end. I'll show you that a little bit closer up in just a second. And then there's 3 pockets over here on this side. So on the inside, I do have it paired with a matching zipper pouch. Look how cute this is with our new little fish embroidery icon. Sorry, I'm fixing something on my phone. Isn't that gorgeous? Now I did this little fish, so I think, well, you'd be personalizing right here on the front. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this has a Velcro pocket here on the front, so if you wanted to store your keys or anything in there, you could definitely do that with that Velcro. But if you wanted to personalize, it would be right here. And so I thought this was so cute. So this is the little fishy in the aqua thread color and the hot pink. So you could definitely do a turquoise thread color here as well, and it would look really nice on this patchwork stripe print, okay? All right, on the inside, you can see that I have 2 rolled up 31 or towels that we had in the past, which are the best. So I had 2 of those rolled up in the bottom. Now this can hold a lot more, but I just wanted to show you guys how awesome this tote is. Look at the mesh pockets there on the side. You'll see 3 pockets on each side there, and you'll see that I have a clear clip pouch. This is one of our older prints. My new print has not come yet. I actually ordered the clear clip pouch in the little fishy print. So, but our clear clip pouches are great for any bag, and you'll see in mine, I actually have my kids' goggles in here. So it fit so nicely in one of those pockets. And just to show you how big this pocket is right here, this is one of those large, sorry, I'm struggling here, a large 𝗪𝗏. So you've got the, I don't know what, I can't remember how many ounces this one is, but a nice large 𝗪𝗏 fits very nicely in that pocket. I mean, that pocket almost comes up to the rim there. And this is one of those large, this is a 9, almost a 10 ounce thing of sunscreen. So I love this bag. I love that the pockets are on the inside. Now, it doesn't have to just be used for a pool bag or a beach bag. I mean, think outside the box. Our 31 fold-in file. So it's the file that you can sit desktop, you can put inside of another bag. It holds the hanging file folders. That fold-in file will fit on the inside. This is also a great baby bag. I mean, especially new moms who are carrying so many things with them. I mean, this would be the best tote for them, and it doesn't look like a diaper bag. You would never know that it has those pockets on the inside, so it looks just like an awesome tote. So there are so many things that you can use this for. Now, you guys know about our 50/50 customer special. So for every $50 that you spend, you get a 50% off item. So you can get the Essentials, Everyday Essentials Tote, personalize it, and you qualify to get something for half price, okay? Or you can pair this. You know, I'm all about solutions. So you can pair it with a zipper pouch, which I love zipper pouches because you can just keep all your little extras in here, like your room key, your keys, your chapstick, your cell phone, things like that can definitely stay in here and make that just be the perfect little solution set right there. You grab one of the clear clip pouches, put your goggles, put snacks in here, slide it down in the pocket on one of the insides. But I think every maybe pool bag, beach bag is going to need a thermal. So why not grab the solution set and then get a thermal for half price? I'm going to show you a new thermal right now, okay? And I'll have a separate video on this a little bit later, but I wanted to share with you guys, this is a brand new tote, a brand new thermal tote that we have. It's in a navy blue print. So I think it just pairs really nicely here. And if you really wanted these to coordinate, you could definitely personalize something right here in navy. It will look really nice. Now you see these straps? Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous they are. So it's like a white, it's hard to see, a peach, a hot pink, and a powder pink print there. And this roundabout cooler tote also comes with a crossbody strap. So you've got handles here, you've got a crossbody strap. This has that nylon feel. This is the Summer Sun personalization. So this is bright yellow and then a hot pink A. I love this roundabout cooler tote. It's got a zipper here on the front so you can store things. It goes all the way down to the bottom. You've got a zipper closure, and this does have our leak lock lining, which means you can put ice directly in here and it won't leak out. So this is a huge thermal on the inside. And just to give you guys size comparisons, if I can do this, I have 2 gallons of water, and I'm going to show you that it can hold 2 gallons of water if I can grab it. So 2 gallons of water fit in here. You see there's even room there on the side so you can store you know, a lot more in there. Put ice in there and you are good to go for a day at the beach or the pool. So I was super excited about this Everyday Essentials Tote. When we were able to order this as new consultants, I told my team, you know, we were able to shop early as a consultant perk, and I'm like, y'all, you have to get this. If you don't get anything else this season for products, you have to get the Everyday Essentials tote because it is going to be a top seller. Great for your car. I mean, there are so many uses for that. So I hope I've given you a few ideas. I know you're going to want to grab it for this summer for sure. So again, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. It really does mean a lot to me if you guys don't know that already. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel here on YouTube so you don't miss any of the videos that I upload. You'll get a notification so you can watch them and give me some of your feedback, all right? If you don't have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your girl. So I'm going to link below my VIP group on Facebook. So you can click the link to join, answer the 2 questions, and then I'll send you back a private message. So check that spam folder, that message request folder, so you don't miss that reply back to me. So hopefully we'll get you added to my group if you don't have a consultant. If you are interested in doing what I do, right? It's so fun. I just share what I love. I'm not a salesperson. So people will say, I'm not a salesperson. I'm not either. I just share what I love. And people want it too, believe it or not. So if you're interested in the 31 opportunity, the business side, I would love to chat with you and see if 31 might be a fit for you and your family. If you're interested also in maybe hosting a party, I would love to host with you and help you earn these products for free. That's the best way to get it. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, y'all. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.